Here's how to add accessories to a character in Roblox Studio. First, open Roblox Studio and add a rig to your game. You can do this by clicking on the toolbox, setting the drop-down to Models, and searching for the word Rig. Pick one. The R15 rig works great for this. Next, click on Plugins in the top navigation, then click Manage Plugins. Hit the plus icon and search for Accessory Inserter. Install it, then close the window. You'll now see an Insert Accessory button in the top navigation. To find an accessory, go to the Roblox website and open the Marketplace. Find the item you want, then copy the number from the address bar. That's the asset ID. Come back to Roblox Studio, paste that number into the Accessory Inserter field, and press Apply. The accessory will automatically appear on your character. You can repeat this process with any accessory from the Roblox Marketplace. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.